Viceroy makes their own window. We call it the Super Window. It's awesome. Multiple chambers for insulation, easy to insulate. We've got the hurricane straps that basically, when you install it, not only help solidify the window with the jamb and the return jamb, but it really strengthens it in terms with the sheathing and those big raker walls. The window itself, double paned, low E, argon-filled window, great R value, amazing price point on the window, fantastic warranty, and everything in terms of our design. We can add transoms, we can get nice casement, the hardware on the casements and the way the windows open are smooth and flawless. The windows have their own built-in drip edge. It's a great profile on the outside, and we can get them in multiple colors. So the Viceroy Super Window is an overall solid, excellent designed window.